सुनाओ, क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? मजे में हो ना? You are doing good, right? You are doing good, right? इतनी देर से कहाँ थे? Where have you been all this time? Where have you been all this time? कब मिल रहे हो? When are we meeting? When are we meeting? यार आज मूड नहीं है पढ़ाई का. Dude, I'm not in the mood to study today. Dude, I'm not in the mood to study today. चल चाय पीने चलते हैं. Let's go have some tea. Let's go have some tea. तुझे पता है क्या हुआ? Do you know what happened? Do you know what happened? अरे तूने ये सुना क्या? Hey, did you hear this? Hey, did you hear this? चल थोड़ी मस्ती करते हैं. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. तेरे साथ बात करके अच्छा लगता है. I enjoy talking to you. I enjoy talking to you. तेरा क्या सीन है कल का? What's your plan for tomorrow? What's your plan for tomorrow? वो जोक तो सुना, बड़ा फनी था. Did you hear that joke? It was so funny. Did you hear that joke? It was so funny. हंसते रहे, तुझ पर सूट करता है. Keep smiling, it suits you. Keep smiling, it suits you. क्या हाल है? What's up? What's up? जिंदगी कैसी चल रही है? How is life going? How is life going? बहुत दिन हो गए तुमसे मिले. Long time no see. Long time no see. इस वीकेंड घूमने चलते हैं. Let's hang out this weekend. Let's hang out this weekend. आज रात का क्या प्लान है? What's the plan for tonight? What's the plan for tonight? क्या तुम आज शाम फ्री हो? Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? बताओ क्या हुआ? Guess what? Guess what? मैं अभी तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था. I was just thinking about you. I was just thinking about you. जल्द ही मिलते हैं. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. क्या तुम यकीन कर सकते हो? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? ये तो मजेदार लग रहा है. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. मैं बहुत बोर हो रहा हूँ. कुछ करते हैं. I'm so bored. Let's do something. I'm so bored. Let's do something. इन दिनों तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you these days? Where are you these days? मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ. कुछ खाने चलते हैं. I'm starving. Let's grab something to eat. I'm starving. Let's grab something to eat. चलो कुछ सेल्फी लेते हैं. Let's take some selfies. Let's take some selfies. क्या सीन है शाम का? What's the plan for the evening? What's the plan for the evening? तुझे मेरे जोक्स समझ नहीं आते. You don't get my jokes. You don't get my jokes. आज मूवी देखने चलते हैं. Let's go watch a movie today. Let's go watch a movie today. तुझे सच में ये याद था? कमाल है. You actually remembered this. Amazing. You actually remembered this. Amazing. आज तो मौसम बड़ा मस्त है. The weather is so amazing today. The weather is so amazing today. तेरे लिए कुछ लेकर आऊं? Should I bring something for you? Should I bring something for you? तुझसे बात करके मूड अच्छा हो गया. Talking to you has lifted my mood. Talking to you has lifted my mood. चल आज पुराने दिन याद करते हैं. Let's relive the old days today. Let's relive the old days today. तेरा नेट पैक खत्म हो गया क्या? Did your data pack run out? Did your data pack run out? इतना सोच क्यों रहा है? Why are you overthinking so much? Why are you overthinking so much? खाना खाया या फिर से भूखे हो? Did you eat or are you still hungry? Did you eat or are you still hungry? तेरे साथ प्लान बनाना हमेशा फेल होता है. Making plans with you always fails. Making plans with you always fails. अब तो पार्टी बनती है. It's time for a party now. It's time for a party now. तूने मेरी बात सुनी भी या नहीं? Did you even listen to what I said? Did you even listen to what I said? तुझे हमेशा देर क्यों हो जाती है? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? क्या दिन था वो? What a day that was. What a day that was. अब मुझे जाने का टाइम हो गया है. It's time for me to leave now. It's time for me to leave now. तेरे पास टाइम कभी नहीं होता. You never have time. You never have time. मुझे तुझसे कुछ काम था. I needed something from you. I needed something from you. तुझे कभी बोरियत होती है क्या? Do you ever get bored? Do you ever get bored? तेरे बिना मस्ती अधूरी है. Fun is incomplete without you. Fun is incomplete without you. तू हमेशा मजाक करता रहता है. You are always joking. You are always joking. आज तो फोटोशूट करते हैं. Let's do a photoshoot today. Let's do a photoshoot today. चल कुछ नया ट्राई करते हैं. Let's try something new. Let's try something new. सच्ची तुझे सब आता है. Honestly, you know everything. Honestly, you know everything.